Yo V8X crew, welcome back to where we chase horsepower and style that lights up the road. New here? Smash that subscribe button for weekly reviews that fuel your car obsession. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Jetour Dashing in Sleek Black, a compact crossover with Lexus-like swagger, built for USA drivers craving affordable luxury. Priced at around $25,000, it's a head-turner that punches above its class. Let's roll through this black beauty. Up front, the Dashing's bold honeycomb grille and razor-thin LED headlights scream confidence, like a baby Lexus NX with extra edge. The sculpted hood and 19-inch alloys give it a low, mean stance, perfect for cruising Miami streets or Tahoe trails. It's not just a looker, it's a vibe that owns the spotlight. Slide to the side, and it's pure flow. The coupe-like roofline sweeps over a 40-inch wheelbase, blending crossover utility with sporty flair. Blacktop mirrors, roof rails, and frameless doors add sleekness, while the panoramic sunroof opens up starry desert nights. It's compact but commanding, turning heads from Seattle to Sedona. At the rear, it's all clean aggression. Full-width LED taillights glow like a red-hot signature against the black paint, paired with a sporty diffuser and dual exhaust tips. The hands-free liftgate makes loading gear for weekend getaways a breeze. Practicality meets panache. Inside, it's a luxury knockout. Black leather wraps heated seats that hug like a glove, and the 12.3-inch touchscreen pops with Apple CarPlay and ambient lighting for late-night vibes. Spacious enough for four, with reclining rear seats and USB ports, it's your cozy base for cross-country hauls. Performance? A 1.5T turbo 4-cylinder pumps 184 horsepower through a 7-speed DCT, hitting 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds. AWD keeps it glued to twisty roads, and 28 miles per gallon combined means more miles, less fuel stops. It's zippy, efficient, and smooth for USA adventures. From above, the black Dashing cuts a sharp shadow, compact, sleek, dominating urban grids or mountain passes. At $25,000, it's a steal that rivals pricier badges with bold style and everyday grit. What a ride! Dream crossover or modded masterpiece? Drop a like if you're feeling it, comment your dream road trip, and subscribe to V8X for more real talk reviews. Hit the bell, and we'll see you on the next horsepower hunt. Drive safe, legends!